Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY. And yesterday when I recorded my video, okay, market was somewhere around here. And we were not sure in which direction DXY would move, whether DXY would come down towards the 109.30 level or it would try to recover. And after that, we saw some good amount of recovery on the chart of DXY. And surprisingly, DXY right now is trying to respect the previous support level of 110.10, 110.20 level. Okay, so this level, this place of DXY will be very important, because if we look at this particular portion of the chart, then we can see market is constantly forming lower highs. Okay, so this can be a lower high or this can be a complete recovery for DXY again. So this place will be very crucial or critical for DXY. So whether DXY respects it as a support and bounces, or whether DXY just breaks this particular level and goes towards 109.30. okay, so if DXY starts going down, then this time it will be heading towards this level and we will see a good amount of recovery on the Euro USD and GBP USD. So please watch this level carefully. Now let's talk about Euro Dollar. And to be honest, I do not have any clear picture on the chart of Euro USD. I was thinking okay, where it would be better for us to take a buy position, and to be honest, I did not get a clear picture. So in my opinion, it's better to wait and watch the Euro USD if it does not come down to our levels, especially new traders and beginners. And to be honest, this week was not a very good week. This week market was pointless, directionless, so things were quite confusing, okay, as per my analysis. So I would prefer to stay out of the Euro USD at least for Friday. If I have missed out anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you, because there are so many things to learn. We are all students of the market, isn't it? Okay, so right now we can see Euro Dollar is standing at 0.9988. This is the current market price, and here we have taken the help of Fibonacci. Okay, so we can see the market is right now bouncing from the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Okay, in case DXY recovers and market starts falling, I think then the next Fibonacci retracement of 38.2 will be the next support, and that is 0.9880. This will be the next support for Euro Dollar, and I think this level has the high chance of acting as support, because here we can see the market is somehow respecting 23.6% retracement as a support right now. So it gives us the clear confusion that it gives us the clear picture that right now Euro USD is somehow respecting the Fibonacci levels. So I think that in case market falls also, okay, then this level has the potential of acting as support. And if market bounces from 0.99880 level, I will take a buy position here. Otherwise, I will just simply avoid taking buy position on the other levels. And if you are a risk taker, daredevil kind of a trader, then you may also take a sell position if market breaks 0.9945 level. If market breaks this level and starts going down, you can take a sell position. But again, this trade is for risk takers only. Okay, see, not every trade is for everyone. It depends on your trading style. For example, me, I do not prefer to take too many trades in a single day. I do not prefer to take high risk trades. I prefer to wait for the right time, right opportunity. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, no need to place any order. Just watch the market, observe the market. This level has the potential, as already discussed, of taking bouncing the market and taking a buy position. My dear friends, as I already said that according to my analysis, okay, I could not find any proper trading opportunities in the market. So if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. Okay, bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye.